Huh?
What was that?
Nothing.
Let's open this first. Upstairs.
You just heard him?
The puppy. Who gave this? Santa.
He left a note over there.
Where? Oh, he's wanting me this.
Dear girls, thank you for the delicious cookies. I left you an extra special gift this year. Take good care of him. Love, Santa Claus. The boy! Is he cute?
What should we name him?
I don't know. You have to think of a name.
What do you guys think?
Buster. Can we put no, we can't. Can we bring it with us to Granny's?
Uh-huh.
Take the bow off.
Okay. He might choking.
Did he go to the bathroom in there?
He might.
Is he cute?
Yeah. It's a knot. I knew.
You knew you got a puppy?
Yeah, because I could hear it. I knew.
Oh, he's so cute. I kind of like the name Rocky.
No. Daddy should name it
Chocolate.
because it's a boy.
Chocolate.
Chocolate's a cute name.
Yeah.
Chocolate.
Oh, he's so sweet. I think he likes you guys.
Yeah.
I want to show Nan and Papa.
Look, he likes you.
Yeah.
Dad, can we open all of our other presents?
Yeah.
Hold
Dad,
on.
can we put him back in the cage?
No.
No, I'm going to leave him out.
Stop.
Maybe you should get your stockings.
Ooh.
Oh, how cute.
I'm going to put it on right now.
I'm Santa. No, little doggy. He likes me.
He likes you. Look.